Let's make a t-shirt in Roblox Mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same, and tap on the More button at the very bottom right. After you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down and we're going to choose that create option. You used to have to go to a third-party website to do this, but now you can do it in the app. Now from here, we're going to tap on those three lines at the very top left and then go to creations. You'll be able to see it defaults to your experience here, but we need to get to your t-shirts by tapping on avatar items. You can see a number of different options here. We need to filter down for just classic t-shirts that we want to create. So let's go over to classics on here. And then next to filters, let's make sure it's set to classic t-shirts. You can choose to upload an asset on here. If you just tap on it, you can choose to upload something from the photo library. Let's say I want to upload, I don't know, something random. Let's say this little teddy bear. I'm going to hit the check mark and then I can name this whatever I want. I can just name this Teddy. And then a description, you can add that and hit the upload button. After you've done that, you need to make sure it is for sale. So on here, you'll be able to see after you scroll down, tap on the one that you just created, turn it to on sale and set a price. You can set this as, let's say 5 or 10 Robux. It doesn't necessarily matter. And you can see creator earnings is 70%. So Roblox does take 30% of that. Let's hit the done button and publish. You can see it says pay and publish. Just tap on that button and it will create that clothing item. All you need to do to put that on your avatar is to tap on avatar here. And then we'll go to customize. And in this case, we want to customize clothing. Let's swipe all the way over until you get to classic t-shirts there, and you'll be able to see all of the classic t-shirts that you just created. For whatever reason, it works sort of well. You can see it kind of twisted that around and rotated it, so maybe I needed to upload it a bit different, but you'll be able to create your own classic t-shirts that way.